I'm going to show you how to make a nice warm toasty drink called a Bananas Barbados. This is a fabulous drink for a night when a cold front comes through in a tropical location. We're going to start off with a nice piping hot cup of hot chocolate. You can use instant or you can make it from scratch. It's totally up to you. To that, we're going to add 2 ounces of spiced rum. So we're going to adultify this hot chocolate. That's 1 and that's 2. And then we're going to add some nice tropical banana flavor with our creme de banana. And we're going to add 1 ounce of this. All right, go ahead and give that a nice stir. Get it all nice and mixed in there. And the great thing about this is you can do it over the stove, or you can also do it in the microwave. But make sure you heat your hot chocolate first and then add your alcohol. All right. Last but not least, we're going to top this off with some whipped cream. Because hot chocolate just ain't hot chocolate without whipped cream. And lastly, we're going to add a maraschino cherry right on top. And there you have it, a Bananas Barbados. Cheers.